Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to our presentation. Today, our group will discuss about the application of the enzyme. Hi, my name is Dianandra binti Zularisam. I will start this presentation by explaining to you what enzymes are, how they work, and why are they important in both biological and industrial process. So, what are enzymes? Enzymes are biological catalysts, usually protein. They speed up the chemical reaction. They remain unchanged after the reaction, and they are highly specific to their substrate. So how do enzyme work? First and foremost, the substrate will bind into the enzyme active site, forming enzyme substrate complex, which help converts the substrate into the product. This was explained in the lock and key model where the enzyme and substrate fit perfectly, but there is induced fit model where enzyme will change shape according to the substrate to make the substrate fit better. Enzymes are crucial to the body. They help in the metabolism, DNA replication, digestion, and many other life function, but they also help in industrial. They are used in the food production, medicine, cleaning product, and even biofuel manufacturing. By the help of the enzyme, this process become more faster, efficient, and good for the environment. That's all from me. Thank you.
Morning. I am Darvindraj SB23079. Let's take a look at how enzymes are applied in food and beverage industry. Two of the most commonly used enzymes in this industry are amylase and lactase. Amylase plays a key role in both baking and brewing. It breaks down complex starch molecules in flour or grains into simple sugars like glucose and maltose. These sugars are then consumed by yeast during fermentation to produce carbon dioxide, which makes bread rise or alcohol, which is crucial in brewing beer and spirits. Lactase, on the other hand, addresses a growing dietary need. Many people are lactose intolerant, meaning they can't digest the natural sugar found in milk. By adding lactase during processing, dairy producers can break down lactose into smaller sugars, glucose and galactose, making the final product easy to digest. This process is the reason we have lactose free milk and yogurt on the supermarket shelves today. The benefits of using enzymes in this sector go beyond convenience. Enzymes improve food quality, enhance flavor and texture, and they also make production more efficient and sustainable, reducing energy needs by allowing process to occur at a lower temperature and pH levels. However, enzymes do come with their own set of challenges. One major issue is their sensitivity to heat. If temperatures during processing get too high, the enzymes can become denatured and lose their function. Additionally, because enzymes are biological molecules, there can be variability from batch to batch, making consistency a concern. Regulatory challenges can also arise, especially when enzymes are derived from genetically modified organisms. Manufacturers must ensure that these are approved for food use in various countries. Despite these hurdles, enzymes are an essential part of modern food production. In the field of biotechnology and medicine, enzymes have revolutionized how we diagnose, treat, and even prevent disease. First, let's talk about DNA polymerase, the enzyme used in the polymerase chain reaction or PCR. PCR is a powerful technique that allows scientists to make millions of copies of a specific DNA segment in just a few hours. This has transformed modern medicine. Whether you are testing for genetic disorders or infectious disease like COVID-19, even matching DNA in forensic cases, it all hinges on DNA polymerase. Another critical enzyme is asparaginase, used in the treatment of acute lymphoblastic leukemia or ALL. Unlike healthy cells, some leukemia cells cannot make their own supply of amino acids called asparagine. Asparaginase works by breaking down asparagine in the blood, essentially starving leukemia cells and preventing them from multiplying. This targeted approach allows doctors to treat cancer without harming healthy cells. The benefits of enzymes in medicine are substantial. They offer high specificity, meaning they target exactly what they are supposed to, whether it's a strand of DNA or cancer cell. This leads to faster diagnosis, especially with tests like PCR. Also, many enzyme-based treatments are non-invasive or minimally invasive, which improves patient comfort and recovery time. But of course, there are challenges. Since many enzymes are produced using bacteria, the body might recognize them as foreign, leading to immune reactions or even allergic responses. Some therapeutic enzymes are also very costly to produce, requiring high purity and complex storage conditions. And once inside the body, Enzymes can be unstable. They may degrade before they have finished their job or limiting their effectiveness. Despite these limitations, enzymes continue to shape the future of medicine. Another major area where enzymes have transformed everyday life is the cleaning and laundry industry. Several types of enzymes are used in laundry products, each targeting a specific type of stain. Lipases break down oily or greasy stains by hydrolyzing fats, so they're perfect for dealing with butter, cooking oil, and makeup residue. Proteases target protein-based stains like blood, sweat, and egg by cutting the peptide bonds that hold proteins together. Then there's cellulase, which doesn't clean stains but instead helps to maintain clothes. It works by gently degrading microfibers on cotton fabric surfaces, which restores brightness and makes clothes look newer for longer. One of the biggest benefits of enzyme-based detergents is they work effectively at lower temperatures, helping households save energy. That means you get clean laundry even on cold wash cycle, which is both effective and better for delicate fabrics. Additionally, since enzymes are biodegradable, they provide a more environmentally friendly alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. However, there are a few challenges. Enzymes are proteins, and by that they means it can be easily denatured, losing their structure and activity if exposed to heat, pH extremes, or incompatible ingredients like bleach. They also require stabilizers to remain effective during storage, especially in liquid formulations. Another issue is allergic reactions. While rare, some people may experience skin irritation if exposed to powdered enzymes over time, especially without gloves. Despite these limitations, the use of enzymes in clinic products has become standard practice.
Hi everyone. So many people around the world are lactose intolerant, meaning they lack enough of the enzyme lactase in their digestive system to break down lactose, the sugar found in milk. This causes symptoms like bloating, gas, and stomach pain. To solve this, companies like Lactate add lactase enzyme directly into regular milk during the processing. This enzyme breaks lactose into two simpler sugars, glucose and galactose, which are easier to digest. The enzyme reaction happens like lactose to lactase to glucose and galactose. Okay, this process not only makes the milk lactose free, but also slightly sweeter in taste, even though no sugar is added. This enzyme-based innovation allows lactose-intolerant individuals to enjoy the nutritional benefits of milk without discomfort. Next is detergent, enzyme-based cleaning. Traditional detergents rely heavily on chemicals and high temperature to clean the stains. However, modern biological detergents like Tide uses a mix of enzyme to enhance the cleaning power, especially in cold water. Protease break down the protein-based stains like blood and sweat. Amylase targets the starchy stains from foods like rice or potatoes. Lipase dissolves fat and grease stains. These enzymes work specifically and efficiently, meaning they target only the stain molecules without damaging the fabric. Next is pancreas, digestive enzyme replacement. People with exocrine pancreatic insufficiency (EPI), such as those with cystic fibrosis, chronic pancreatitis, or whoever had part of their pancreas removed, cannot produce enough digestive enzyme on their own. This leads to malabsorption, weight loss, and nutritional deficiency. Pancreas is a prescription medication that provides a blend of lipase, fat digestion, protease protein digestion, and amylase carbohydrate digestion. These enzymes are encapsulated in a delayed release form to survive stomach acid and become active in the small intestines, just like natural pancreatic enzymes. For example, the lipase break fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Thinking pancreas with meals helps patients properly digest food, absorb nutrition, and maintain their health.
Conclusion: enzymes such as amylase, lactase, asparaginase, DNA polymerase, lipase, protease, and cellulase play crucial role
in both natural, biological process and industrial application. Their ability to catalyze specific reaction makes them indispensable in digestion, medical treatment, genetic research, food production, and environmental solution. By harnessing the power of this enzyme, we can improve human health, enhance technological development, and promote more sustainable and efficient industries. For reflect on future advancement in enzyme technology, a smarter enzyme. Future enzyme will be custom designed using AI and genetic engineering to be more efficient and robust for industrial use. Secondly is greener industries. Enzyme will play a key role in sustainability by breaking down plastic, converting CO2, carbon dioxide, and replacing harsh chemicals, leading to a more circular and environmentally friendly economy. Lastly, health and environment. Enzyme will drive medical breakthrough with targeting therapies for disease and revolutionist environmental cleanup by degrading pollutant in water and soil.